Now set the foundation in day one, thinking like a designer. Let's talk about something even more important, why business strategy design actually matters. There's a very common misconception among engineers. You've probably heard this before, or maybe even thought it yourself.
I think I know where you're going with this.
If I build the fastest, most redundant, most secure network, the business will succeed.
Sounds logical on paper.
But it's wrong. Technical perfection does not guarantee business success. Let me explain why. The hard truth. A network can be technically flawless, every link redundant, every device high-end, failover designed for every possible scenario, and still, the project can fail completely.
Really? Why would that happen?
Because businesses don't operate in a lab, they operate in the real world, and the real world has constraints. Budgets, money is finite. Overspending on technology can kill a project instantly.
Right, and there are regulations and compliance. Some industries simply cannot take risks.
Exactly. Risk tolerance. The board may reject cool tech if it feels unsafe. Strategic priorities. Sometimes growth, speed to market, or cost savings matter more than network performance. This is why CCDE is not just about networking. It's about aligning networks to business goals.
Let me share that real-world story. Imagine a retail company expanding online. Big growth plans, more customers, more traffic. Engineers design something amazing. Ultra-high bandwidth, global redundancy, top-tier everything.
Technically beautiful.
But there's a problem. The cost is double the IT budget. The business says, nope, project rejected.
Now, watch what a designer does differently. They ask questions first. How many users are we actually expecting? Which applications must be up 24/7? Where can we save cost without hurting outcomes? Can cloud, caching, or edge meet the need more efficiently? Result? A balanced design. Not flashy, not overbuilt, but perfectly aligned to the business. That is business strategy design.
Quick reflection time. Pause for a second. Think about your past projects. How many times did you focus only on technology? How many times did you choose the newest hardware instead of considering cost or risk? Could that project have failed even if the network was technically perfect?
These are exactly the kinds of questions CCDE expects you to answer. Simple analogy. Think about cars versus transportation systems. An engineer might design the fastest car possible, bigger engine, more horsepower, but a designer thinks differently.
How do people get from point A to point B safely, efficiently, and affordably? The fastest car doesn't always solve the problem, and the fastest network doesn't either.
CCDE rewards designer thinking, not fast network thinking. The CCDE mindset. Every CCDE design must solve business problems first, align with budget, respect risk, meet compliance, enable growth. Notice something? It's not about the newest tech, not about maximum redundancy, not about speed for the sake of speed. It's about value, business value.
Practical example. Let's say a factory wants AI automation. Engineers might propose cutting-edge switches, ultra-fast backbone, low latency everywhere.
But the business might only need just enough performance, simple operations, predictable costs, easy maintenance.
Designer thinking asks, where is performance truly critical? Where is redundancy actually needed? How do we minimize CapEx and OpEx? Outcome? A simpler network, cheaper, easier to run, and still successful. That's smart design.
Interactive question. Think about this. If you had unlimited technical skills but a strict budget, what would you optimize first? Technology or business outcomes?
CCDE always favors business outcomes. Always.
Connecting to day one. Day one was about mindset. Think like a designer. Day two shows you why. Because technical perfection alone does not equal success. CCDE tests judgment, not configuration.
By the end of today, you should clearly understand. Technical success does not equal business success. Cost, risk, and compliance guide design. Judgment matters more than memorization. And ignoring business strategy has real consequences. So remember this one question every time you design something. Does this design truly serve the business? If the answer is yes, you're thinking like a CCDE architect.